Hi dear children, good morning. Today first we will study some special type of parallelograms. Okay. After that we will discuss some revision questions. Okay. First, some special parallelograms. First special type parallelogram is what? Rectangle. What is the meaning of parallelogram? Yes, parallelogram is a quadrilateral, that means four-sided polygon. Yes. Then opposite sides are parallel. Okay. So it is called parallelogram. Here, this is a rectangle with the four sides and four angles. That means what? It is a quadrilateral. Then a rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. Each angle is a right angle. Right angle means what? 90-degree angle. Each angle is a right angle. But in a parallelogram, each angle not 90-degree. Okay. Here each angle is a right angle. Then next, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. That means this side and this side, that is AD equal to BC and AB equal to DC. AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. That means opposite sides are parallel. Or no, opposite sides are equal. Next, opposite sides are parallel. That means what? AD parallel to BC, AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC. Okay. Here each angle's measure is 90 degree. That means right angle. Opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Next, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. That means angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. Also what? All angles, each angles are 90. That means here means what? All angles are equal. Okay. Then diagonals are equal. How many diagonals have in a quadrilateral? Yes, two diagonals. Okay. First diagonal AC and PD. Here AC and PD are diagonals and here given what? Diagonals are equal. That means what? AC equal to diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Okay, that means diagonals are equal. In the parallelogram, diagonals not equal. Okay, then next, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Here, diagonals bisect. That means what? Here I give one point, that is DO equal to BO, DO equal to BO and AO equal to AC. AO equal to OC. AC not OC. AO equal to OC. That means diagonals bisect each other. Okay. That means here diagonals bisect, intersect, that time here divides, equal in measure. Okay, all of you understood? Properties of rectangle. Yes, rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. That means each angle is right angle, means all angles are equal in measure, that is 90 degree. Okay. Opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Then diagonals are equal and diagonals bisect each other. Okay. All of you understood? Properties of rectangle. This is one special type of parallelogram. Okay. Write and draw this figure and write this also. Next special type of parallelogram, rhombus. R-H-O-M-B-U-S, rhombus. Okay. Yes, a rhombus is a parallelogram in which four sides are equal. Okay, rhombus A, B, C, D. Here, four sides are equal. Okay, that means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Okay, four sides are equal. Okay, so all these sides have equal in length in a rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Okay, second property. Third property, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles, that means A angle A opposite. What is the opposite angle of A? Is angle C. Okay, what is the opposite angle of B? Angle D. Okay, these two angles and these two angles are equal pairs. Okay, next. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay, here diagonals bisect each other and here make 90-degree angle also. Okay, diagonals bisect each other. Okay, that means AO equal to OC and OD equal to OB. Okay, then this angle measurement 90-degree. Okay, rhombus is a parallelogram in which four sides have equal in length, opposite sides parallel, opposite angles equal, then diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Okay. Okay, all of you understood? Yes, what is the difference of that rectangle? Yes, in a rectangle, each angle is what? 90-degree, and in a rectangle, opposite sides only equal. Here, all sides have equal in length. Okay, right. Yes, next special type parallelogram square. Okay, all of you know what is the speciality of square? That each side have equal in length. Okay, yes, a square is a parallelogram. Why it is a parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. A square is a parallelogram in which four sides are equal. Four sides are equal. That means AB equal to BC equal to DC equal to AD. Okay, all sides are equal. Next, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, that means AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Parallel and AB parallel to DC. Okay, AD parallel to BC, AB parallel to DC. Next, each angle is 90-degree. Each angle is 90-degree. That means all angles equal in measure. Okay, all angle is equal in measure and each length of each side is equal. Okay, next. That is all angles equal in measure. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90-degree. Okay, next. That is each angle measure is what? 90-degree. Next. The diagonals are equal. Diagonals always equal in a square. Then the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals bisect each other at a right angle. Okay. So here what? AC equal to AC. That is diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. Then next what? DO. Here I represent one point O. That is AO equal to OC and DO equal to OB. Okay, diagonals bisect each other and at right angles. Okay. Yes, what is the difference between square, rectangle, parallelogram and rhombus? Yes, what is the difference? Yes, this is a rectangle. This rectangle is slightly like this. This makes parallelogram. Okay. Here this side comes straight, makes rectangle. That means now 90 degree. Okay. This is the main difference of parallelogram and rectangle. Next, this is a square. Okay. This square slightly come like this. This one's two side. This make rhombus. Okay. That means in a rhombus, each angle measure is not 90 degree. But in a square, each angle measure is 90 degree. That is the main difference. Okay. Right. Yes. Now I discuss one doubted question. Okay. Some students asking doubted question. Okay. So that question. Explain how this figure is a trapezium, which of its two sides are parallel. Okay, explain how this figure is a trapezium. Here given two angles, that is angle M. Angle M is equal to 100 degree, angle L is equal to 80 degree. Okay. That means angle M plus angle L is equal to 180 degree. That means what? This is supplementary. Okay. Supplementary. We studied in the 7th standard. Two lines. That is that is here P and Q are two parallel lines cut by a transversal T, then interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Studied in the 7th standard, that is the chapter lines and angles. Okay. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. That means here also NM and KL are two parallel lines and cut by the transversal this. Okay. So here form two angles, that is two angles on the same side of the transversal. Here these two sides are these two sides make supplementary. That means what? NM, that is NM parallel to KL. NM parallel to KL. Why? Here given these two angles form supplementary. That means these two angles are, these two lines are parallel. Okay. These two lines are parallel. Okay, clear? Therefore, NM parallel to KL. Here write NM parallel to KL and cut by a transversal just the transversal here ML. Okay, cut by a transversal ML. Okay, cut by a transversal ML. So then but angle M is equal to 100 degree. That is angle L, that is these two, that is angle L plus angle M is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay. Here given angle M and angle M plus angle L is equal to 180 degree. So what? So angle NM and angle KM are parallel. Okay. That is the reason. Okay. What is the reason? These two angles make supplementary. That means NM parallel to KL. Okay. And cut by a transversal LM. Okay. Here I explain how this figure is a trapezium. What is the property of trapezium? one pair of parallel lines. Okay, so it is a trapezium. Here we get one pair of parallel lines. So it is a trapezium. Okay, which of its two sides are, which of its two sides are parallel? Yes, NM parallel to KN. Fluffy got the answer? Okay, Fluffy understood. Let's write this question also. Fluffy study very well for the exam. Okay, November 9th, how your exam, maths exam. Fluffy study well. Okay, now I wind up the class. Best wishes for the exam.